Okay. ठीक है. Okay. Now it's recording now. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, coming to the subscription forms, I'll share the Excel sheet with you,
Right.
both for standard and premium.
Right.
You can take the high-res picture. It should look very neat. And then payment gateway will come as it is.
Okay.
Okay. And then enterprise, as I said, country code, if you can put it
Country
over
code.
here. These three
Right.
icons I have sent in a separate mail. This is
Okay.
again a university duplicated here. And
Okay.
all these three are duplicated as corporate, corporate, and corporate.
Right.
All these files are there in the folder.
Okay.
So download the PDF right file should be given. ऐसा नहीं corporate का subscription university में चला जाए.
Interchange हो गया.
So yeah, तो ये सारा का सारा वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. All उस Google Drive के folder में.
Okay.
You can take it from there. Delete this entire thing from here. This will go off, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Similarly, when you are giving the premium also, वहाँ पे भी same table ऐसे आ जाएगा. और उसके बाद में एंटरप्राइज सब्सक्रिप्शन भी आप इसी तरीके से देना. वहां पे ये वाला और ये वाला, वहां पे तो स्टेट है नहीं. Similarly, the form will come over there. So I don't want those certificate pictures and all other pictures which was coming over there earlier. That was looking too lousy.
Okay. Okay.
You remember, no? Who has done this previously?
There was another team member, but I checked that thing.
So yeah. Basically, जितने भी उसमें certificates आ रहे थे वो नहीं आएंगे. 3 certificates थे plus हमारा वो कंप्यूटर का पिक्चर था, वो सब नहीं आएगा. Same thing, it will come like this.
Okay. ठीक.
Okay. Video, of course, it was uploaded. I don't know why it was again deleted. The appropriate video for this section is there, so that can be uploaded. Today you'll be working. Today you'll be working on this, na, Vineet?
Yes, sir. Yes, I will be completing.
मैं जो है आपके साथ में ही रहूंगा. By chance कोई दिक्कत अगर हो, तो I will be always online because I need to complete this. I have a project to complete this by 5th. मतलब 6th को हमारा website launch हो जाना चाहिए.
Okay.
We have a task on hand.
All right.
Okay.
ये वाला probably I will be finishing today.
Yeah. So I will share the Excel sheets, both original Excel sheets with you.
Sure.
मतलब ये जो files है ना ये वाली.
Yeah.
These are all Excel sheets. This I will share.
Okay.
इसको बंद कर देते हैं. इसको भी बंद कर देते हैं. और जो पहले जो मैं बता रहा हूँ, पहले जो सब्सक्रिप्शन था, सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान्स, ओके, प्रीमियम, जो इसके पावर पॉइंट है, आई जस्ट वांट टू शो यू. ऑल दिस थिंग्स इज फाइन, टेबल भी फाइन है. दिस वे आई डोंट वांट इट टू कम लाइक दिस. सो बेसिकली ऑल दिस विल गो ऑफ. दिस प्लस साइंस एंड ऑल, ये सब निकल जाएगा यहाँ से.
Okay.
Got my point? So this will not come. Just like the standard plan, यहाँ पे state government नहीं है, so basically you will just give the
right.
बस ऐसे ही आएगा. उसको सेव कर दो. Okay. So now that this is getting recorded, you have the complete idea. And this thing will come again. You know the way it has come on the standard plan. Maintain a standard, whatever you're maintaining there. This form which is there again will come on the same page instead of going on the other page, because वहाँ पे form same page में आपने दिया हुआ, right? Color scheme वगैरह जो है उन्होंने red डाली हुई थी, वो देख लेना.
ठीक है.
तो मतलब वो standard की तरह ही आएगा, सिर्फ table में difference होगा.
Table difference रहेगा, right?
That's it. Table भी same ही है, the color will be different. I mean, number of licenses required. Are you a member of Wiki?
तो आपकी fields change होंगी, but more or less the look and feel of everything else should be the same, right?
Correct. So, बाकी everything is same. I think that makes the thing very concise and very clear.
Yeah.
So section 3 will be completed very fast, and you can also give me your number in case I have to reach you when you're working. What's your number?
Sure. So 9764.
9764.
714.
714.
Yep. 028.
028. Okay. Are you resting today? Till what time will you sleep? I don't know if you worked last night late.
No, so I actually started in the morning at 2:30.
Okay.
I'm working.
तो जब रेस्ट का पीरियड होगा तो उस टाइम मत उठना. I mean, just let me know that you are going for rest so that I don't bother you at that time.
Sure, sir.
I'm giving you a missed call. So Just see if you're getting my call.
Got it, sir.
Got it?
Got it, sir.
Got it, no?
Yeah, I got it now. 987.
Yeah.
Starts with 987.
Yeah. So इसको मैं सेव कर लेता हूँ मैं. Okay. So now Pritesh has entered. So I don't think we need to repeat this again, since Pritesh, we already discussed.
Now that we also have a recording, that was one of the reasons, so that maybe we can go through it again in case we are confused about something.
Right. Hi, Pritesh.
Hey.
Hi, Pritesh. How are you? Hi, how are you? How are you?
Sorry. My previous meeting just kept on going.
No problem. So हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे विनीत के साथ में.
Okay.
Basically, the meeting is getting recorded. तो जो भी सब्सक्रिप्शन के प्लान्स थे हमने कह दिया. I told Vineet I will share the Excel sheets with you so that you can create the way you want it in a high resolution, because I don't know how to convert into high res and all that. Background हमने white कर दिया.
So as we are, I don't know if you saw, I actually played around in Google. Sorry, on an Excel sheet. So I had created a version. Jay, did you share that with Praveen by any chance?
हाँ, मैंने वो देखा था. वो थोड़ा सा मतलब congested सा था. आप इस वाले टेबल पे
और we can actually spread it out. I know the gaps.
This is the right table. So I'll share both the files with you and Vineet. It should come in the same form, same way.
Colors are different actually. जो दिख रहा है इस पे at least.
कलर्स आप चेंज कर देना ना, मतलब आपके पास तो पूरी एक्सेल फाइल दे रहा हूं मैं. इफ यू डोंट वांट दिस कलर,
और व्हाट आई डिड वाज
you can remove it or you can put any color that you want. If you want blue color, whatever, I mean that I'm leaving it to you, so you decide.
So another thing what I wanted to tell you is I'm also looking at a way if we can also create a table. I know I initially said it will create more problems, but I said okay, let's spend at least an hour on it. If you're able to do that, then I will actually go down that path. So I got somebody to start working on the table.
That will be nothing like it, because the whole website, it spells quality today.
No, it will. Either way, it will have a good resolution and quality, like from a appearance standpoint.
So what I will do, I will share the Excel file with you and Vineet after this meeting. So ignore the JPEGs and all what I've sent earlier.
Sure.
Okay. So that is one. Now. So when we coming to the about us pages mein,
can we start with the innovation and startup suite? Can we finish that first?
Okay.
Because there are 5 pages, right? So
okay. So this is 3D idea generator first. Now they're all coming in proper frames. And last issue was this was not coming in a mobile phone, so it is fine.
Okay, right? Cool.
Yeah, so now we can go to the guided mind maps. This is also got the right video, the font size is much better now, readable. It's in a frame. Breakthrough innovation mistake has been rectified. And this text has to be removed from here because I have already put the text in this video here.
अच्छा,
मतलब ये जो है ना, ये टेक्स्ट इसका ही
है. वीडियो में I see that.
ये आ गया.
So as we are actually here, can you just make those changes? That's a delete, right?
Vineet is actually recording this meeting. He said he will listen to all this and make the changes one by one.
ये तो सिंपल है विनीत, ये तो कर लो ना, अगर कर सकते हो.
हाँ, अगर कर सकते हो इसको डिलीट करके ये हेडिंग रहेगा. Directly present your mind maps to investors. And just come down over here in alignment with this particular frame, and these 3 lines will go off. Because I mean यहाँ पे कटना नहीं चाहिए, मतलब जो ऊपर का जो टाइटल है, क्योंकि वीडियो लंबा है ना, वीडियो एक्चुअली यहाँ तक है, तो जो भी आपका टाइटल हो वो यहाँ तक हो, माइंड मैप्स नीचे आ जाएगा मतलब.
Okay, then let's keep moving. I think उसको फिर टाइम लग जाएगा थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा, but these 3 lines will not come at all.
ठीक है.
So I think this has resolved your problem, Vineet, isn't it? यहाँ पे एक इशू आ रहा था आपको. तो उसका पूरा हमने वीडियो ही बना दिया. अब मालूम भी नहीं पड़ रहा है कि ये पार्ट उसका है ना. This is also coming fine over here, so no issue. This section is fine now. Then we come to the assessment tools. Assessment tools में video is right. This is also okay. और ये font बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है. अगर थोड़ा इसको हम sleek कर सकते हैं तो. I mean, 75% of this will look good. We need 75% of this font. Okay. और ये अलाइनमेंट एक बार जरा देख लो. राइट अलाइनमेंट जो है ये लेफ्ट, ये राइट से जो है ये अलाइन नहीं है. अगर राइट अलाइन हो सकता है तो
नहीं. अगर राइट अलाइन करेंगे तो आपके बुलेट पॉइंट्स हैं इसमें बेसिकली.
अच्छा.
तो इसमें इसलिए क्यों हो रहा है ना, बिकॉज वो रैप कर रहा है प्रवीण. द वर्ड्स आर बिकमिंग बिगर ना, तो वो रैप कर जा रहा है. उतना स्पेस नहीं है उसमें आने के लिए, इसलिए ऐसा लग रहा है राइट में.
ठीक है. learn more about innovation.
I mean, what we can also do is we can shrink it slightly तो उतना close नहीं रहे. वो कर सकते हैं शायद, मतलब width wise, because anyways it's coming in 2 to 3 lines, so वो adjust हो जाएगा.
क्या इसका font size, I mean, थोड़ा सा
font छोटा करने से भी ठीक हो लगेगा वो.
Yeah, it will look little better. It's going too lengthy up to this heading. It is going, no, it can be up to this. वो देख लेना. अच्छा, ये blue color हमने कहीं पे भी नहीं दिया हुआ है. So this is coming for the first time over here. You want to keep blue? I don't know. You want to या तो इसको जो ऊपर का जो blue है वो रखें जो हमारा theme color है, navy blue.
I think heading subheading has been black and yellow only. So हम लोग वही.
Make it yellow. Even yellow should look fine.
Okay. We can, so the yellow that you have used conventionally in this website, right? Correct. Because our theme is bright and blue, right?
Correct. So we'll use the yellow which we have in the menu.
Yeah. So ये that is one observation. तो blue चला जाएगा तो वो yellow हो जाएगा. बाकी सब तो सही लग रहा है. ये
assessment वाले में couple of changes, right?
ये asterisk यहाँ से हटा देना. ये asterisk यहाँ से. Because there is no note over here.
Okay.
क्या assessment क्या बोल रहे हो विनीत? ये
so assessment में couple of changes, right? One is that blue section में font change करना है and the text box, and then the subheaders need to be in yellow. Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So premium presentations में भी it's looking nice now that this clock has been integrated and creates a good impact. And these slides
are fine. This is actually pretty cool, Praveen. I must tell you, that was awesome.
See the website, Pritesh. I wanted to have
awesome.
I want the website to be a classy site, and you can actually apply for many of the awards in future. It should be a class by its own. So when people see, everything has to be a wow factor. That, you know, how do you create a wow experience for people? I mean, in terms of UX and UI of a website, क्या होता है? अब आप कभी कहीं पे भी चले जाओ, there is nothing, you know, which seems to be just done like randomly done like this.
That's true. A lot of thoughts have gone behind.
Lot of thinking has gone. You know, so we're on a presentation. Then, you know, how do you win your audience? Every video speaks for itself, even without the sound. So कुछ ज़्यादा पढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. They know, okay, I'm getting all these presentations, and you know, I should go for the subscription. So I learned that, you know, functionality is mundane. Great designs, they emote desirability. So
yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
So it's all about the psychology part, right? When
does it emote a desire? Will you recommend to 10 people to see this? And
absolutely,
you know, and if you see this, and you know, there is an inclination for there's a curiosity for you to see more website on this. I think that is the power of a website. If I just see one page and say, "Nahi yaar, maza nahi aa raha," it should engage me. Now this is becoming a very engaging site, and that is what is the whole idea that I have over here. World Innovation Network. So basically, उसमें तो कोई change.
तो उसमें premium वाले में there are no changes, right?
Premium वाले में अभी तो मुझे कोई change नहीं लग रहा, because all the changes have been incorporated. All the slides are looking fine and everything is fine. Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. So this is done. और then we move to World Innovation Network. इसमें भी काफी काम हो चुका है. The video is proper, slides are okay. Now the color of this connections and advantages is coming very nice. All seem to be in one frame, proper gapping and everything. Yeah, so this is also, this picture is resized now. And advantages for corporates, and this is for the startups. या इसको बोल्ड कर देना, या मतलब दिस येलो इज वेरी, दिख नहीं रहा है ये क्या है ये, या तो इसको ब्लैक में ही बोल्ड कर दो, और या इसको येलो में थोड़ा अगर इम्प्रूव हो सकता है कलर, बिकॉज वेरी लाइट. So yeah, this was the, yeah, this is also good. This line is going slightly out, you know, the end में ये font अगर बाकी font की तरह अगर same रख सकते हैं हम, this is a little bigger font than this font, for example. So true. if you can, you know, keep it the same font, then the entire thing will come up to this picture only.
ये कौन सा section? Can you scroll up?
World Innovation Network.
No. What was the section that called?
The last, the students.
Students and faculty.
Yeah, become the most sought after.
Yeah, second last section.
Innovation professional.
Okay.
Okay. So now.
So WinMay, there are two changes, right? One is you basically make that bold, yellow section, either black or yellow, whatever looks better.
Yeah, whatever.
And then the second one will be font change on this students and
I think the black will look much better here because this is government and all, then they would like more clarity. So you know.
I think we can make it black. I think.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. So that's a minor change there. So that takes care of that.
So just to repeat, 3D idea generator में no changes. Guided mind maps में we had that one change there, right? And then assessment tools में we had.
This meeting is getting recorded, so don't worry. You will know as you go through the meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So no need to take the points.
Yeah, I mean recorded में ये चक्कर है कि अब पूरा 1 घंटा सुनना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए I would have rather preferred कि अगर हो सके तो अभी करते जाओ सर. Anyways, let's keep going. And you have to listen to it many times to, you know, not miss on something. So that's another thing with the recording.
Yeah. So guided mind maps में basically, if I have to repeat, the thing was this one.
Yeah, this one, direct present to your mind. Well, delete करना था, right?
Yeah. और ये वीडियो जो है, हाँ, डायरेक्ट प्रेजेंटेशन यहाँ पे ये देख लेना, क्योंकि एंड में ये वीडियो जब एंड होता है ना, तो इट कम्स अप टू दिस पार्ट, अप टू माइंड पार्ट एंड ऑल, तो वो देख लेना कि टाइटल जो है कहाँ तक आ रहा है. So the title text should not interfere.
Okay.
But that's it. So यही 1-2 points थे.
ठीक है, so that actually should lock these 5 sections.
Yeah.
About us then?
No, about us में.
Do we have the latest version on it or?
You have to use about for that. मैंने वो change किया page.
How do you get to about?
I'll give you the URL for it.
No, or can you just expose it right now? Like then you can refresh the screen.
What do you want me to do? You want me to add it to the about all of this thing?
About maybe about us में ना वो link डाल दो about page directly. That will be simpler and easier.
एक छोटा सा पॉइंट मुझे याद आ गया, ये सर्विसेज जो है ना विनीत, ये प्रीतेश, इसको हम लोग बोल रहे हैं एक्सेलरेटर सर्विसेज, क्योंकि या बिकॉज सर्विसेज टिपिकली एनीबडी कुड हैव, द वर्ल्ड डज नॉट हैव द इनोवेशन एक्सेलरेशन सर्विसेज, सो एक्सेलरेटर सर्विसेज विल बी मच बेटर देन द सर्विसेज.
ओके, I'll just
इसको हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. Should I go to the about us now?
Yeah, just give one moment. He's going to publish it and then we can refresh.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna call that.
Huh?
No, I'm sorry. तो मैंने यहीं पे ये कर दिया है.
अच्छा, नया लिंक पे. अच्छा, just open the new link in the chat. That's easier.
Okay. Should I?
हाँ, just open that link.
This is what about us, is it?
Yeah, this is about us.
Okay.
He was redesigning it, so the fix कर रहा था. So.
That image will be changed.
Yeah, actually, we are about technologies. So, if you want the image for this, I can give you who we are,
No, he has the image. I think he.
But the image is there,
just...
ना? वो मैंने दिया था आपको ट्रेंड सेटर वाला जो एक इमेज था.
is there. He has not replaced yet.
ये सब वीडियोस उल्टे फुल्टे कैसे आ रहे हैं? This is not what we. नहीं, this is not.
Vineet,
I'll have a quick check. Hang on.
एक काम करते हैं ना. Let's go back to the about us what we have. Okay.
Yeah, I think because I'm used to that.
Let's go with that, and then let's see what changes need to be made there.
Yeah, I think I'll tell you what exactly do we need here. So about us, who we are. तो ये जो इमेज है, दिस इज द राइट इमेज. और ये इकोसिस्टम का जो है वो बड़ा हो गया है. ये एक बार जरा देख लेना. आप इफ यू वांट टू नोट इट डाउन, यू कैन नोट इट डाउन. विजन मिशन का वीडियो पहले बहुत अच्छा था. ये सारे वीडियोस काफी अच्छे आ रहे थे. अब ये छोटा हो गया, अब ये बड़ा लग रहा है. ये इतना, आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस वाज रिड्यूस्ड. We had the proper size of this. All these videos were sized by all this is the same size. और ये टेक्स्ट राइट में था. तो इसको आई थिंक इसको भी आप इसी वीडियो को इसी साइज में लेफ्ट में रखते, यू कैन कीप द टेक्स्ट ऑन द राइट. यू रिमेंबर प्रीतेश, ऑल दिस वीडियो सेम साइज है. तो ये सेम साइज का ही रखना है, क्योंकि पहले 3 का इम्पैक्ट सबसे बड़ा है. Got it, na? So this will also come on the left hand side, and this text will go over there. If you want to reduce slightly the size of videos, you can reduce it. Let us say you can make it 75% or 85, whatever it is, so that it comes up to a little reduced in the same frame, and you get more place to write the text. लेकिन वो तीनों के एक ही साइज, मतलब the 3 videos should be in the same size.
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, for example, if you find this is a little bigger, so reduce it by 75%, reduce the top one also by 75%, this also by 75%. And you can get more space to write the text, center alignment and all alignment and all, it will become better. I think reducing the videos slightly by about 75% of the present size in all the 3 cases will create more impact, because you will get more place to write the text. ठीक है ना? Because थोड़ा सा बाहर जा रहा है, जैसे ये बाहर नहीं जाएगा, तो मतलब टाइटल वगैरह सब अंदर आ जाएगा. जैसे आपको अगर इसे रखना भी है, मतलब सपोजिंग आई वांट टू सी इनोवेशन ऑन द सेम फ्रेम, आई गेट सो मच ऑफ स्पेस व्हिच इज ब्लैंक ओवर हियर. So this is not optimized. So we need to optimize the space in a way so that the video and the text get proper visibility.
Right.
I mean, this title can come on the same frame, but this video will become 75% of the present. Text will get more place to write. So it will look very nice and balanced. ठीक है ना Vineet? Understanding, na? Yeah. So that is how we should do for the top 3 videos. So we are all about digital transformation. This is fine, and this is also fine. Companies. इसमें कुछ वर्ड्स जो मुझे शुरू से सही करने थे वो मुझे करने होंगे, वो मैं बाद में करूंगा. एक साथ फाइनल एडिटिंग में बैठेंगे. अभी मैं उसके बारे में बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. एंड देन व्हाट वी डू हियर is also fine. So iska, this is okay. This is continuation. Yeah, this font and the bottom font are different. Let's maintain the same font size for title. This title is too big. This title is small. This title is too big. There's inconsistency in all these, the partners thing that we have. So the 4 partners that we have should have, consistency. Yeah. And, this also font is too big a font. I think if you want to keep 75%, whatever this font size is there, it will look much better. And our global channel partner, I have given you the updated thing in the marked you, Vineet and Pritesh both. One more person was added. So you please see that. National is fine. International, we have added one more person over here. So that can come. I sent you a mail today. You can check that mail.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Yeah. So that thing will come. And this LinkedIn things are not coming, but that is updated file. You can see that. So these are the changes in the Yeah, and if you want, you can also slightly. This is also looking bigger. I wanted all these lines to come in one line. So ये थोड़ा सा एक size 75% of this or whatever optimizes this so that this more comes in one line only. ये विन जो है अलग लाइन में चला गया है, कंपनीज अलग लाइन में आ गई, तो यहाँ जगह है हालांकि. So it can come in the same line so that double lines में ना आ जाए. So this can be font can be slightly reduced. I think 75-80% जो भी आप देख लें. But once this is there, so there's a consistency in all these. Jay, you have any other point that you were noticing?
Yeah,
एक सबसे बड़ा point जो है जब हम बाहर जाते हैं, जब हम होम पेज पे जाते हैं, तो बिफोर आई फॉरगेट दैट, आई थिंक उसको डिलीट करना पड़ेगा हमें, क्योंकि ये जो लर्न मोर जब करते हैं ना, इट टेक्स अस टू सम यूट्यूब वीडियो एंड द फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन दैट प्रीतेश ये हमने जो बनाई थी अभी तक,
उसका होम पेज चेंज नहीं किया, वो हटा देंगे, वो लर्न
yeah, that's a very, because suddenly if we don't notice this, people would get lost over there.
Yeah,
so we will have
that's a fair point.
Yeah, so this point has to be all this is a YouTube. In fact, this page will not come at all. This entire information learn.
Yeah, that page will be gone. Actually, that page will be gone.
Curious, for example, or if you want to give learn more, or curious, I like this, explore. So this takes you to this site. So you can learn more ki zarurat nahi hai. I think curious and this thing is a good idea.
Yeah, because I think we learn more will delete that button. That's
correct. So we can go. So I think this is what it is. और सब्सक्रिप्शन का हमने टेबल्स, मैं आपको फ्रेश एक्सेल टेबल्स दे दूंगा, आप कलर स्कीम वगैरह उस पर देख लेना, जो भी बेस्ट लगता है वो करके अगर आप टेबल क्रिएट कर सकते हो तो इट विल बी वंडरफुल.
Actually, I just got a response from the developer. I actually asked him.
Because these tables which are there, if they come as it is in that form in the sheet, the impact is much different. And see, we are having at the end of the day a world-class site. And honestly, Pritesh, I was telling Jay, can you apply for the 7 awards which are there in the web designing for the UX and UI? There are many companies who are giving the awards. They should stand out, I'm very sure. So your company would get.
Sure, I think it will be good for both of us. Actually,
yes,
we will
yes.
try to do that. Yeah.
मैंने कल 7 awards का share किया था जय के साथ. जय आपने share किया?
He said he shared with me.
Yeah. Please. मैंने देखो जब मैं बना रहा था ना प्रीतेश अपना ये विन ऐप, विन प्लेटफॉर्म, मैंने वहां पे 4200 चीजें डालने के लिए 50,000 वेबसाइट्स देखे होंगे. और 50,000 वेबसाइट देखते देखते मेरा ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हो गया. आई नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू, एंड ऐसे वेबसाइट्स को अवार्ड मिला कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. दिस इज स्टैंडिंग आउट टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वेबसाइट्स इन इनोवेशन कैटेगरी. सो यू शुड इमीडिएटली द मोमेंट इट इज ओवर, कोई ज्यादा खास रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जेस भी नहीं है, $30-40 होते हैं. इसको नॉमिनेट, देयर आर वेबसाइट ऑफ द डे, वेबसाइट ऑफ द वीक, वेबसाइट ऑफ द मंथ, ग्रैंड जूरी अवार्ड, कितने अवार्ड्स हैं इसमें. So
I think that's a very great idea, Praveen.
Yeah, please do that. I want you to shine out of this. Everybody, see, when we work with our partners, we want the partners to grow along with us. So that is what is the. अच्छा, इसमें कुछ Excel में ना मेरे पास कुछ testimonials हैं. या तो हम उसे customer section में ही रखें, subscription में नहीं देते, क्योंकि it will be very confusing for people over here. So you will find these things, but I am giving, it is better to give this in one place, and that is in the customer section. ठीक है ना? So that is what. So now we were basically on the subscription part is taken care of. I made it very light by removing many pictures from there, from the platinum part which I have told him. Now I want to go to the services part, because services part is half completed. और इसमें जो है मैंने कुछ. Now we are getting away with our video gallery. जो उसमें 10 वीडियोस आ रहे थे, we are not creating any gallery for the video. So no 10 videos separately. जो उसके जो वीडियोस थे, 1-2 वीडियोस वो कॉर्पोरेट के सेक्शन में चले आएंगे. तो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. Where is that exactly? Just one second. New website. If you go to the Google Drive. गूगल ड्राइव को तो विनीत कैन एक्सेस ना. सेक्शन 4 में जैसे क्या है कि सर्विसेज में ये जो 2 वीडियोस है ना कॉर्पोरेट के, विनीत, वी एक्सेलरेट योर दिस थिंग एंड कॉर्पोरेट वी डेवलप ओपन इनोवेशन. तो वहां पे मैंने रेलेवेंट जगह कहाँ पे जाएगा, मैंने वो इसके नाम से ही मालूम पड़ जाएगा. we accelerate जैसे है ना, we accelerate your innovations, spend time more etc. जो है, और ये जो है we develop open innovation. I can show it to these two videos will go there, and these two videos will go in the university section. Now I can show you where exactly. For example, if you are on the services part, this part, yeah. So जो पहला वाला वीडियो है वी एक्सेलरेट जो है, इसका टाइटल जो है ना, ये वर्ल्ड इनोवेशन नेटवर्क का बार बार आ रहा है, वी एक्सेलरेट आ जाएगा यहाँ पे, और वो जो वी एक्सेलरेट वाला वीडियो वो इसी के नीचे आ जाएगा सेंटर करके। और सिमिलरली यहाँ पे जो है ओपन इनोवेशन का एक टाइटल है यहाँ पे, वी डेवलप ओपन इनोवेशन। तो ओपन इनोवेशन का वीडियो जो है, ये वाला वीडियो, वी डेवलप ओपन इनोवेशन, वो वहां पे आ जाएगा। आई हैव गिवन टाइटल वाइज, क्लियर ना, नो प्रॉब्लम। Yeah, similarly for university, 2 more videos were added since we deleted the gallery completely. These 2 videos were pertaining to universities, and we have added it here on this page only, so that we don't have to create an extra page for that. तो ये आपको जो है इसके टाइटल से मालूम पड़ जाएगा, accelerate and we inspire the next. If you see the slides, if you see these slides ना, इस स्लाइड में कहाँ पे वीडियो आएगा उसका रेफरेंस है यूनिवर्सिटी सर्विसेज में। सिमिलरली अगर बाई चांस कोई डाउट हो तो आप कॉर्पोरेट सर्विसेज भी देख सकते हैं, आपको मालूम पड़ जाएगा कहाँ जाएगा। बस दैट्स इट। सो आई थिंक इफ वी हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ, देन सेक्शन 3 and 4 इज कंप्लीटली टेकन केयर ऑफ। ऑफ कोर्स ये इसको मतलब अलाइनमेंट करना वगैरह वो जो है वो एक फ्रेम में टाइटल आ जाए, पिक्चर आ जाए, जैसे हमने हमेशा किया है। That's how it should appear. The font can be slightly reduced, 75% of this font, gaps between the bullets. So all that you see, every bullet must have a space, one space in between them, to make it very readable. Yeah, to make it, that is my one observation here. And as I said, the videos which have to come for the relevant section can come here. So if you want to see section 4 का जो है, अगर आपको doubt अगर हो, तो अगर आप इसमें कॉर्पोरेट सर्विसेज वीडियो ये खोलोगे, फ्रेश फाइल देखोगे, अगर इसमें हो सकता है नहीं हो, लेकिन जो अपडेट नहीं हुआ यूनिवर्सिटी सर्विसेज में, या आई पुट यूनिवर्सिटी वीडियो कहाँ पे आएगा, किस पोजीशन के नीचे आएगा, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे 2 जगह पे जो है, आई हैव गिवन इट देयर। एंड कॉर्पोरेट मैंने वीडियो के टाइटल के ऊपर लिख ही दिया है। कोई डाउट हो तो you can always check with me.
Yep.
For example, we accelerate your innovation will go below this, as I said. Yeah, over here, because this is about the speed. इसका title भी we accelerate कर देना. I think I had sent a slide, and we develop open innovation will go on the open innovation section, which is 7th or 9th frame. And yeah, we develop open innovation. ठीक है, तो ये वीडियो यहाँ पे इसके सेक्शन में आ जाए। सो दीज आर द 2 चेंजेस। यूनिवर्सिटी तो आपको क्लियर है ही है, 2 वीडियोस वहाँ पे डाल दिए हमने। सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। सो इफ यू कैन, बस अभी तो बेसिकली यही है कि या द फॉर्म्स दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट, एज आई वाज टेलिंग विनीत, दैट फॉर्म इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू। Where is the form? Subscription plans, standard. Look at the impact it is creating. You know, you go on the subscription plan and you know that you're watching something which is worth subscribing. I think that is the part of it. ये title जैसे मैंने बताया, इसको ठीक कर देना, this title.
One standard.
Yeah, I think the standard should be individual subscription plans. This one. एंड एंटरप्राइज, ये इतना स्पेस नहीं रहेगा, इतना बहुत जो गैप है इसको रिड्यूस करके टेबल यहाँ पे आ सकता है। पेमेंट गेटवे तो हमने दे ही दिया। नाउ दिस फॉर्म अप्रोप्रिएट चेंजेस कर देना जो मैंने बताया भी नहीं। और ये मोबाइल फोन जो है, या country code, if you can give the running country codes which come normally in the international websites, people can select the flag and they can write the country code first, and then the number will come on the same line itself. and then the message and then submit. ये सब तो delete हो जाएगा वहाँ से. All this will get deleted. Clear, no? So these are the points for section 3 and 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I think, yeah. So that's what it is right now. So once this is done and shaped, I think only then we can point out as to, you know, cosmetic changes kya karne. But broadly, these are the changes that we need to do.
So what we'll do, we'll first wrap up about us, and I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
That this is done and you can actually review.
Yeah.
And then we can start working on 3 and 4.
Yeah, the about us and the you know, the other section.
Other changes you talked about.
The changes over here in the innovation and startup suite that I talked about. So these two sections are 90% done. Once this is done, we can work on the subscription plan. I'm going to send you the Excel file, Vineet and you, Pritesh, right now, so that you can actually tell the person to develop that, because that Excel file may not be, the latest may not be there with you. So I will email that to both of you.
Sure.
Right? But once these two are done, the balance are only consisting of 14 slides. It will not take much time. I think by tomorrow, my target is to complete the 3 and 4, so that then in the next 2-3 days, we can clear the balance part, you know, together. And by 5th, I think the website should be ready. It must be late for you, Pritesh. It's already 12:30 over here. Must be 1 o'clock there. Have rest.
Half an hour piche. Yeah. So
Okay.
This is good, drawing. So yeah, we'll work on it. So yeah. And I'll send you a quick note once it is complete.
Yes. Yeah, Vineet has got my number, my email, everything. Wherever Vineet is working, he can directly, you know, speak to me and